All right, this is a Mr. Barre Part 2 type. No, it's not Part 2. What? Flashback. It's something crazy. It's a remake. That's it. It is a remake of another video. Basically, I've done this video before, but I'm doing it again. Maybe to get some new eyes on it or some new insights into it. So we're going to multiply numbers that are written in scientific notation. So I'm just going to make up a couple problems. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Here we go. So I'm going to multiply numbers in scientific notation. Let's go with 2 times 10 to the third times 4 times 10 to the ninth. And the idea here is take the two number parts of it. I've got to find out a better term than the number parts. These two, because this is the exponential part. This is the rational part. Something I should look up. Take these two pieces right there, multiply them. That gives me 8 times 10 to the, add the exponents, 12th. Hold on. Make this one a little bit more challenging. I'm going to go decimal on it. Let's go with 3.98 times 10 to the 11th times 5.63 times 10 to the 4th. You can use a calculator. Let's get that right there for you. Can we see it? So 3.9, oops, multiply the rational part of it. Where is it? 3.98 times 5.63 gives me 22.4074. Let's write that down. Times 10 to the, well, 11th plus 4 is the 15th. But what's the problem? I'm going to go get a Post-it note while you think about what's the problem. There's a problem with that. There's a flaw. And the flaw is right here because this is no longer in scientific notation. So let's ignore the 10 to the 15th and think exclusively about this 22.4074. Let's put this into scientific notation. One jump. So there it is in scientific notation. But remember this part that I covered up? I still have this 10 to the 15th. Well, let's add the exponents. So I have 2.24074 times 10 to the 16th. One more time. Yeah, I'm only at 3 minutes on this video. Let's do one more problem. Let's see, can I make it hard? Let's throw some negative exponents into it. Negative exponents and decimals, and see what happens. Let's go with 6.98 times 10 to the 5th times, ooh, okay, watch this. Okay, I'm going to mess this one up. No, there we go. Ignore that. 6.98 times 10 to the 5th squared. Squared. Oh, that means I need to write it out twice. 6.98 times 10 to the 5th. So what's 6.98 times 6.98? 6.98 squared is 48.7204. Times 10 to the 10th. Ah, but I know this isn't in scientific notation. He's going to jump over here. It's going to give me 4.87204 times 10 to the 1st times 10 to the 10th, which is going to give me 4.87204 times 10 to the 11th. And that is my last video for today, which means I get to go home and eat leftovers.